That was no fun.
These are the little baby ones.
Okay, let's do a bunch of little baby ones.
These are the last of the little baby ones.
Rob, can I do a sparkler?
No. Not right now.
That's a little baby one?
Yeah.
Rob, you're in the safety zone.
It's okay.
It's the safety zone.
Okay, let's do
You can be in it.
a lot.
It's the safety zone.
Oh, it's still orange.
Yeah. That's why you gotta be back up, guys. Come on.
Yes, sir. You're gonna crap on the log.
Yeah, Josh, back up.
I'm right here. So that's right there. Yeah, Max, you have to back up.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Cornflakes are good.
He said,
Yeah, they're doing some over there.
he said, scoop crap in your cornflakes. I said, scoop crap in your cornflakes.
Yeah, the last baby one.
Last baby one.
Miles, they mean the same thing. Uranus.
Okay,
Oh.
that's the last of the baby ones. So that's the end of this part.